Very strange MS symptoms that I have come across is what I wanted to talk about in today's video. I'm sure, we all know that there are multiple attacks that we get, when we go through MS. But, and then every attack might differ from person to person. So, not two individual might come across the same kind of attack. It might be same and might be different. So I just wanted to share the kind of attacks that I have gone through, which I felt was very kind of strange. That's what I felt. I mean, though it is an MS attack, but it just happened for maybe a couple of seconds, and then it never happened again. So those kind of attacks is what I'm talking about. So one very prominent to me was, I would say, some kind of how do I put this across, can I call it like a mini paralysis, I guess. I mean, I'm not sure if you can call that, but what used to happen is, I'm walking, right, and everything is fine, and all of a sudden the right part of my body, it just stops moving. So which means that I'm actively walking, and then all of a sudden, very strangely, the right side just stops moving, and I just don't know what happened. I'm not able to move. It felt like I'm getting a paralysis attack kind. And then I had to just stand still for a fraction of a second, maybe like 2-3 seconds or more, I don't know. But then and then it would just pass by automatically without me doing anything. And that happened a couple of times. It also happened to me when I was I still remember very clearly. I was getting this kidney stone operation. I was going through this operation, and they were shifting me to the operation inside the operation theater, rather. They were shifting me to the bed, the operation where you get operated, right, that the operation table. They were shifting me from the stretcher to that table, and then suddenly again I went through the same, the right side, it just stopped moving. And I was like, okay, what is this happening? So I think that was the only time. Those two times is what I felt. Once before this, and the other time was this, in the operation theater inside. So after that I never had it again. I mean, I don't know what caused, as well as I don't know how it got cured automatically on its own. That was very strange, right? But then I just hope it does not happen again, because it's very stressful. You're just walking absolutely fine, and all of a sudden you are not able to lift your foot or you raise your hand. That's what I went through. The other attack I felt was very strange, kind of a tingling sensation in my right thigh. I think everything, whatever these kind of attacks I've had, is in my right side of the body. So this tingling sensation I used to get was also in my right thigh. So I remember going to AIIMS and speaking to Dr. Bhatia, and then I told him that this is what has happened. So I mean, he did not prescribe any medicine for it. He just said that it'll pass by. Wait for a few days, and then even that tingling sensation, it just passed by itself. I mean, I did not even take any medicine for it. And I mean, it's been a very long time. I haven't gone through it again. The third attack, I must say, extremely strange. I'm sleeping at night, and then my right hand here, it's tremor, and it's just moving. It's going on moving, and I'm holding my hand, trying to stop. I'm not able to, and it just happened. This one happened for a maybe a longer period of time. I really don't know how long, but it just happened. And that was the only one time that I went through this tremor thing. So I was sleeping on my right side, and then the right hand, it just starts shaking like this, and I'm just holding it, just don't shake, and I just leave it, and I again start shaking, and I don't know what is happening, and then after some time it's like, okay, it's gone. I felt like, was it a dream? But then I'm very sure it was not a dream. But after that night, I have not come across that kind of a tremor again. So yeah, I mean, very very strange kind of things that happens, or that happened to me, but it just I was just okay automatically on its own, irrespective to the ones which were more of severe case, like losing the eyesight, or the speech problem that went on for a very very long time, and that even needed steroid treatment to get myself fixed. But these are the small little things which just happens automatically, and it gets cured automatically on its own. I don't know how or what kind of you know attacks you might have gone through. If you have anything to share, do post it in the comments below. I hope this video helps, and thank you guys for watching. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.